On this learning, we are going to talk about discount, allowance, and permission on a per user basis. Here's the situation. I'm going to look for a patient called Train because I know there's a pending invoice on that patient. Here's my patient. Double click. I found on a quick search. And I'm going to take a look at the invoices for that patient. Here it is, my pending invoice. I know because of the symbol with the exclamation. I'm going to open that invoice. I'm going to use that invoice to add a charge. So I'm going to go here on the charges and I'm going to add a charge. And I'm going to say, I'm going to give a West Nile. So here's West Nile vaccination. And I would like to go ahead and come up here. I'm adding the West Nile to the invoice. And I'd like to make through this option here a change. I would like to put the price instead of $25 to $20. And I tab over and it says that I cannot do this. So retail, it's less than retail price. I don't have access to the discount. So my situation here is in this type of discount, not possible to complete my price change. So the reason behind that is that if I go to the customer file, I'm sorry, not customer, if I go to the my username under tools, data, and professional, I'm going to go there and you will notice that Art, my current user, is set as administrator. So it is set as administrator, still cannot give the discount. It's because of the discount allowance. So I'm going to say allow discount and any kind of discount. If I save these changes and I go back to that same situation and I try to do exactly the same thing. Now I'm going to call my West Nile change product vaccination. Select the container, select the product. And if I go to edit this price, you will notice that here now my percentage is no longer grayed out. And if I want to change this here to 20 bucks, and if I save, it will accept the price just fine. Another thing that it's possible, I'm going to save this thing over here. By doing the discount allowance, you will be able to make unit price changes right here on the spot. And also we'll be able to change prices right here. So if you want to change right on the spot on the invoice, that's okay. And if you want to give discounts for the entire invoice, if you want to round numbers, these discounts will also be available. Whereas if that feature was not set properly for each user individually, those discount allowance and the places where discount should be permitted will be grayed out and the user won't be able to complete the task and give the discounts. So today you've learned how to set up a professional file with discount allowance so they can have way more flexibility managing and changing prices as entering charges to patient files in WiseOption. Thanks for watching.